So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it, and then click on yes. And once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HKey current user, and then you want to expand software, and then you want to expand Microsoft, and now you want to scroll down till you find Office. You want to scroll down till you find Office, you want to expand that, and now you're going to click on the highest number that you have. So for me it's 16, I'm going to expand that, and now you want to expand Outlook, and now you want to click on the setup folder. Now once you're in here, you're going to be having two values right here, create, welcome, and first run. You may have more values, but you just want to delete both of these ones that you see on my screen right now. Create, welcome, and first run. You want to delete both of these. So I'm just going to right click on create welcome, delete, yes. First run, right click, delete, yes. And then once you do that, you just want to restart your computer, and then problem should be fixed.